Shanghai Tengri Metal Products Company Limited has more than 30 years of experience in the production of professional customized high-quality screws and rivets. Our blind rivets are based on applicable national standards DIN, GB, IFI, etc., and developed into a complete usable range with continuous innovation and strict production, certificated to ISO 9001 quality system and a number of patent certifications. Our factory can produce millions of rivets every day. This machine produces the rivet body. After the machine crushes, the hollow body is formed. The cold header runs fast, making up to 300 a minute. Let's slow down and take a closer look. Compared to rivet body, the production of rivet mandrel is relatively simple. First, the steel rods are cut into small sections with a mold. In slow motion, we can see the process. The rivet body is then heat treated to become extremely strong. In order to better anti-corrosion, it will also be electroplated, do different surface treatment. The next step is to assemble the rivets. After the rotation of the left and right plates, the nail core can be accurately inserted into the nail body so that the rivet is completed. Not only that, we can also meet your special head embossed design. Most importantly, we use a strict quality control system and a 100% full product inspection process. Calipers, dimensional appearance detection for optical image screening, and mechanical properties testing for shear loads and tensile loads. Ultimately, we serve global customers with high standard export packaging requirements. Integrity, quality, service, innovation. Build the brand of Tengri. Guided by your needs, we provide diversified customized products, achieve stable mass production, and promise faster delivery.